Welcome folks to today's video, and it's going to be a breakdown and overview of this right here. It's going to be the Honeywell Home X8S. Now this also covers the Honeywell Home ElitePRO S1200, which is the same exact thermostat. Now the unique thing about this thermostat and the S1200 is that it is a video doorbell compatible thermostat. Now what does that mean? Okay, it basically acts like a video intercom compatible with the Ring doorbell system and the First Alert VX1 HD video doorbell. Okay, so it has capability to operate this as a video intercom, and you can have a two-way conversation between the person at your front door and yourself. Okay, so the X8S as well as the ElitePRO S1200, they're the same thermostat, the same smart thermostat by Honeywell Home. Not sure why there's two naming conventions, but I want to talk about kind of what's in the box, do an unboxing, and I will do a full set of how-to videos broken down into sections such as manual override, factory reset, setup and install, the setup menu and install, I should say, as well as how to connect this to Wi-Fi, whether you're using Google Home or you're using the Resideo First Alert app, as well as lock and unlock, programming a 7-day schedule, and this video here, which is the new features and functions based on the X8S. Okay, there's also an X7S, which is basically same exact thermostat, smart thermostat, without the video capability, the video doorbell capability. So if that's important to you, you're going to want the X8S or the ElitePRO S1200. Okay, that will give you that video capability. It has a bigger screen, so this screen here is a 5-inch diagonal screen. The ones on the X7S are 4.3, as well as the ElitePRO S1100, S1000, and S900. So there's other models that are more, basically have the same kind of enhancements and technology built in without the video conferencing or video doorbell intercom capability. If that's important to you, you're going to want the X8S or the ElitePRO S1200, like I said. So that's the main difference. Now let's get into kind of like the basic function and what's in the box. I'm going to show you what this is in just a second. This is the C-wire adapter. This will need a C-wire, which is a blue wire in the wiring in your wall. If you don't have this, Honeywell Home actually provides a voucher, which is in the box, okay, one of these guys, which you can just mail this out, and they'll send you, with this promo code here, they'll send you a free C-wire adapter in 3 to 5 business days, okay? So that's a good thing to know. You're going to get one of these. I have a separate video covering this right here, okay, how to install this and what it does. I'm not going to go into the full details, but it basically takes a standard wiring that has no C-wire and turns it into a C-wire adaptation, okay? It basically takes one wire and has it do the job of two. So watch that video. I will link it down below the video in my thermostat playlist. I have over 130, 140 videos on all sorts of different thermostats, including Honeywell, LuxPro, Sensi, Google Nest, and all sorts of modern brand name thermostats. So check out my thermostat playlist. And like I said, I will include all these videos, all these parts and subdivisions and sections breakdown of this as well. So like I said, I'm going to break them down into pieces. That way it's easy for you guys to watch it and to find the pieces that you need and not watch a whole big video. So, but this video is just a basic unboxing. So I'm going to grab what's in the box, okay, and kind of show you. There's not too much, okay? They really kind of minimize the packaging. Really nice packaging. You have some labels that go on your wires, some desiccant to keep it dry. And in here, this is just a cardboard spacer, and then we have the mounting hardware that comes in here. So you have your drywall anchors and screws. Very basic stuff. The thermostat comes with the UWP16 base plate, so I'll go over that in the install and setup video. So if you're interested in seeing more details on how to do that and wire it to your wall, very basic setup will be included in that video. like I said, I break it down into smaller videos for you guys to kind of chew on those pieces as you need. So we have the free voucher for the C-wire adapter. Then they include this nice user guide, okay? They give you the QR code for the Resideo First Alert app. You're going to want to use that app because it is native for this device. They expect you to use the Resideo app. Now, I have it already connected to my phone, and you can see it right here. I have it connected, and everything is working on the thermostat, okay? I will go over this in the Wi-Fi setup and how to connect to the app video, but very basic stuff. They give you everything you need here, access to the user manual here as well in the quick user guide that they include in the box. This is also a Google Home capable. It works with Alexa as well as Apple Home and Matter enabled. Matter enabled means it's another transmission protocol to prevent interference between multiple devices in the home. That's why they have this thing called Matter, okay? This is a Matter-enabled device which allows you for the devices to communicate together and not interfere with each other, okay? That's why you have another protocol to deal with. But I'm going to show the setup of this in the Resideo app video as well as connecting it to Google Home in a separate video. But very basic, really nice packaging on this unit. Like I said, the biggest benefit to this X8S is the video doorbell capability and intercom capability. And this is why you would want to buy this particular thermostat, okay? And it also has the ability to precisely adjust the air quality and the comfort inside the home. It has a little bit more when it comes to like air management, okay? In the menu here, when you look at either air quality, okay, it gives you this nice little menu. This is going to be more detailed in my other videos, but it gives you the carbon dioxide, the VOCs, and the humidity level, and it gives you an overall indoor air quality kind of number or value. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. I'll get a little zoomed in shot, but it gives you this value. It says, okay, what's the indoor air quality? And it gauges it based on these three factors right here, which is nice, okay? So it gives you a little bit more advanced indoor air quality control and ventilation depending on what you have hooked up to your system. If you have dehumidifiers, ventilation, additional auxiliary devices to control, this does it. This does 2 stages heat and 2 stages cooling for standard heating and cooling systems. What else do I want to talk about with this? It's very customizable. You can see right here, you can change the idle screen and the home screen to how you like it, okay? When you put this thing in, let's go right to that, and I'll show you in preferences, okay? Just so you can see, it's very customizable when it comes to what you want it to see. You can have it so it's a proximity sensing, or if you just want it to tap on the screen to initiate. But let's see here, it's right at the top here, idle screen. You have all sorts of options when it comes to idle screen, okay? Very nice looking options. I just like the basic one with the indoor, outside temperature and indoor, okay? But there's a retro looking clock one, which is kind of cool, okay? So we'll click on that one, and pretty much we have to wait till it goes into the idle screen to see that. But this here is a very nice thermostat. Like I said, if you want the video capability, if you don't need the video capability, you would go to the X7S, okay? Or the other ones, which are the ElitePRO 1200 for the video capable one, or the 1100, 1000, or the 900 for the non-video capable smart thermostat version. As you can see there, we have our nice little retro looking clock. This is a really nice thermostat. It has a lot of modern features. If that's something you need to work with in your home and you have a little more complicated setup, this will do it. Also, this comes in the color white. As you can see, we have the color black here, thermostat, but they do offer this in the white color. And there's many different models. Like I said, you can buy the more advanced version with the intercom and the video capability, or you don't need to buy that and just buy the more basic one and save yourself some money. Now, there's also the ability to buy these with a room sensor. That way you can place that sensor in a different room, and you can also prioritize those rooms in this menu here. So it says priority. We'll just go to that really quick and talk about it. So right here, I only have the thermostat hooked up, and it's the downstairs thermostat. Okay. As you can see, if you had other sensors, room sensors attached to this device, you would see them right on here. Okay. So that's one good thing about it. You can set priority depending on what room is active or not active, or just select rooms that you want to set priority. Okay. And it can sense by motion what rooms are more active, and it will prioritize those instead. So it's up to you. It's very flexible. But this is one reason you'd buy such a more elaborate and complicated and more smart thermostat. But like I said, please check out my other videos coming up very soon. This was just a basic overview talking about the different models and what's offered in this new lineup of the X series as well as the ElitePRO series of thermostats. I will cover each one of those functions in detail coming up in the next series of videos, so please stay tuned. They will be also in the description below my thermostat playlist. You'll see the full list of videos as they come out. Like I said, I'll be covering the manual override, factory reset, setup menu and install, Wi-Fi connection of either the Google Home app or the Residio and First Alert app, as well as lock and unlock, 7-day programming of a schedule on this device here, as well as, like I said, talking about the new features and capability of this X8S thermostat. So if you have any questions or comments, please place them right down below the video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and take it easy, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.